Hello everyone, this is Mr. Xie in Technical Depth in V-Light. Today, let's share the detailed skills of V-Light hair extension technology. Firstly, I will introduce the necessary hair extension tools. This is a V-Light technology hair extension device, which has passed the AUCE certification and the US FCC certification. Type-C 5V charging port, charging indicator light, and power switch. This is resin glue, which has passed the ROHS Environmental Protection Certification. One bottle can meet 4 hands to do connecting, and the shelf life is 1 year. This is VV hair extension piece. It's divided into 3-piece and 4-piece packaging. Both are reusable. This is a bracelet, used to fix a hairpiece. Next, we enter the teaching of V-Light hair extension step by step. Step 1. We put the hairpiece on the bracelet. Take 4 drops of glue respectively. Put them on the corresponding hairpiece, and then apply it evenly, and then slightly bulge like a drop of water. Step 2. Separate a bunch of hair with a width of 4 cm and a thickness of 0.5 cm. Using the index finger and thumb of right hand to pinch the logo of the V-Light hairpiece, and place the hairpiece under the hair about 1 cm from the root of the hair, making the hair fully in the glue. Step 3. Using the hair extension to illuminate the contact point for 8 seconds till the light switches off automatically, and remove the hook and lobe under the hairpiece to complete the hair extension. The above is the full process of V-Light hair extension. Following, let's review the key points. First, the amount of glue to be taken should be appropriate. After dripping, it can be slightly raised like a water droplet. Second, the amount of hair divided should be even, and the force should be even when tightening at 0 angle to ensure that all the hair is immersed in the glue and then curled.